Hi, Ben. How are you doing today?
I'm pretty good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well. What did you do over the weekend?
I went hiking in the mountains. It was beautiful.
That sounds lovely. Did you go with anyone?
Yes, I went with a few friends from work.
What was the weather like?
It was sunny, but not too hot. Perfect for hiking.
Have you been to that trail before?
No, it was my first time. I'd definitely go back.
How long did the hike take?
It took about 4 hours to complete the loop.
Were you tired afterwards?
Yes, I was exhausted, but in a good way.
What did you do when you got home?
I just relaxed and ordered some pizza.
What kind of pizza do you like?
I'm a big fan of pepperoni and mushroom.
Do you cook often, or do you usually order in?
I try to cook at home during the week, but I order in on weekends as a treat.
What's your favorite thing to cook?
I make a pretty good spaghetti bolognese.
Did you learn that recipe from someone?
Yes, I got the recipe from my grandmother.
Is she a good cook?
She's an excellent cook. She taught me a lot.
Do you enjoy baking as well?
Not really. I prefer cooking meals to baking desserts.
Why's that?
Baking requires exact measurements, and I'm not that patient.
What did you do on Sunday?
I did some chores and then watched a movie.
What movie did you watch?
I watched the new sci-fi movie that everyone is talking about.
Was it any good?
It was entertaining, but the plot was a bit confusing.
Who was the director?
I'm not sure, actually. I should look that up.
Do you usually watch movies at home or in the theater?
I mostly watch at home. It's more comfortable and cheaper.
What's the last movie you saw in a cinema?
I saw the latest superhero movie a few months ago.
Did you see it in 3D?
No, I find 3D glasses give me a headache.
What kind of movies do you generally prefer?
I like thrillers and documentaries the most.
Why documentaries?
I enjoy learning about real people and events.
Can you recommend a good documentary?
Sure, there's a great one about ocean life on Netflix.
What's it called?
I think it's called The Deep Blue.
Thanks. I'll check it out. So, how's work been?
It's been busy, but good. We have a new project.
What does the project involve?
We're developing a new app for language learning.
That sounds interesting. What's your role?
I'm a designer, so I work on how the app looks and feels.
Do you enjoy being a designer?
Most of the time, yes. It can be stressful before deadlines.
How long have you been working there?
I've been with the company for about 3 years now.
Do you work from home or go into the office?
We have a hybrid model. I go to the office twice a week.
Which do you prefer?
I prefer working from home. The commute is long.
How long does it take you to get to work?
If I drive, it takes about 45 minutes, but traffic is often bad.
Do you ever take public transportation?
Sometimes I take the bus, but it's not very reliable.
What time do you usually start work?
My official start time is 9, but I usually log on at 8:30 to get organized.
Are your coworkers nice?
Yes, I'm lucky. My team is really friendly and supportive.
Do you ever have lunch together?
When we're in the office, we usually go out for lunch together.
What's your favorite place to eat near the office?
There's a great sandwich shop around the corner.
Do you ever work overtime?
Occasionally, when we're close to a launch date.
Do you get paid for overtime?
No, I'm on a salary, so I don't get extra pay for it.
Would you like to change jobs in the future?
Not right now. I'm happy where I am, but maybe in a few years.
What would your dream job be?
Maybe a graphic designer for a major film studio?
That would be cool. Do you need more qualifications for that?
Probably. I might need to take some specialized courses.
Have you thought about going back to school?
I've thought about it, but it's expensive and time-consuming.
Do you enjoy studying?
It depends on the subject. I enjoy learning practical skills.
What was your favorite subject in school?
I always loved art class.
Were you good at it?
I was decent. My teacher was very encouraging.
What was your least favorite subject?
Probably math. I found it very difficult.
Did you go to university?
Yes, I studied design at a state university.
Did you enjoy university life?
For the most part, yes. It was a good experience.
Did you live in a dormitory?
I did in my first year, but then I shared an apartment with friends.
Do you still keep in touch with your university friends?
A few of them, yes. We have a group chat.
How often do you see them?
Not as often as I'd like. Maybe once or twice a year.
Do you have any plans for the upcoming holiday?
I'm thinking of visiting my family.
Where does your family live?
They live about 2 hours away in a small town.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have an older brother and a younger sister.
What do they do for a living?
My brother is an engineer and my sister is still in high school.
Do you get along well with your brother?
We used to fight a lot as kids, but we get along well now.
What are your parents like?
They're both retired now. My dad is very practical and my mom is very creative.
Who do you take after more?
I think I take after my mom in personality and my dad in looks.
What's your favorite memory from childhood?
Probably our family trips to the beach every summer,
Did you build sandcastles?
every single day, and we'd look for seashells.
That sounds wonderful. Do you still go to the beach?
Not as often, but I try to go at least once a summer.
Do you prefer the beach or the mountains?
That's a tough one. I think I prefer the mountains for hiking and the beach for relaxing.
Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, I've been to a few countries in Europe and Asia.
What was your favorite place you visited?
Definitely Japan. The culture and the food were amazing.
How long did you stay there?
I was there for 2 weeks. It wasn't long enough.
What was the most surprising thing about Japan?
How clean and orderly everything was, even in big cities like Tokyo.
Did you try the sushi there?
Of course, it was the best sushi I've ever had.
Was it expensive to travel there?
The flight was expensive, but once you're there, it can be reasonable.
Did you have any language problems?
A little, but many signs are in English and people were very helpful.
Would you go back?
In a heartbeat, I'd love to explore the countryside more.
What other countries are on your bucket list?
I'd love to go to Italy, Peru, and New Zealand.
Why New Zealand?
For the stunning natural landscapes, it looks like another planet.
Are you afraid of flying?
Not really. I just get bored on long flights.
What do you do to pass the time on a plane?
I watch movies, listen to music, and try to sleep.
Do you ever get jet lag?
Terribly. It takes me almost a week to recover from a long flight.
What's your strategy for dealing with it?
I try to get on the local time schedule immediately and stay hydrated.
Do you prefer traveling alone or with others?
I prefer traveling with one or two good friends.
Why is that?
It's more fun to share experiences, and it's safer.
Have you ever had a bad travel experience?
I missed a connecting flight once and was stuck in an airport for 12 hours.
That sounds awful. What did you do?
I read a book, people watched, and drank a lot of coffee.
Let's talk about something more pleasant. What are your hobbies?
Besides hiking, I like photography and reading.
What kind of photos do you like to take?
Mostly nature and street photography.
Do you have a good camera?
I have a decent DSLR camera, but I also use my phone a lot.
What makes a good photo, in your opinion?
Good lighting and an interesting subject are the most important things.
Have you ever exhibited your work?
No, it's just a hobby for me. I post some pictures online.
What about reading? What kind of genres do you like?
I like historical fiction and science fiction.
Have you read anything good recently?
I just finished a great book about ancient Rome.
What was it called?
It's called The Empire of the Wolf. It's by a new author.
Would you recommend it?
Absolutely, if you like history with some action.
How often do you read?
I try to read for at least 30 minutes before bed every night.
Do you read physical books or use an e-reader?
I prefer the feel of a physical book, but my e-reader is convenient for travel.
Do you ever listen to audiobooks?
Sometimes on long drives, but I prefer reading with my eyes.
Who is your favorite author?
That's a hard question. Maybe Ken Follett or Ursula K. Le Guin.
What's the best book you read in the past year?
Probably The Project by an author named Alex Lake.
What was it about?
It was a psychological thriller about a missing person. I couldn't put it down.
I'll add it to my list. Do you belong to a book club?
No, my friends and I sometimes recommend books to each other, but that's it.
Maybe we should start one.
That could be fun. We could meet once a month.
Speaking of meeting, do you want to get coffee sometime next week?
Sure, that would be great. How about Tuesday?
Tuesday works for me. Morning or afternoon?
Afternoon is better for me. Say 3 p.m.?
Perfect. Where should we meet?
How about that new cafe on Main Street, The Daily Grind?
Oh, I've been wanting to try that place. Sounds good.
Great. I'll see you there on Tuesday at 3.
Looking forward to it. I have to run now, but I'll talk to you soon.
Okay. Bye, Anna. Have a good day.